So this is my 2000 Honda Civic, my very first car. Welcome to Midnight Success. My name is Joey. I run this car channel with a few of my friends where we just post content and have fun, you feel me? No bad vibes over here. So this car was my very first car ever. I bought it when I was 18 years old for $950, which was a steal. I never really got a chance to really work on it because I moved back to Jersey, as you could see in the old videos and old clips and shit like that. I was in Jersey for like a whole year. And because of that, I really haven't had time to work on it. I'm back now and the car's been sitting for over a year. I ran to AutoZone earlier. I threw a new battery in it, got it started and everything. There is a lot of mold that I gotta work out. You feel me? There's a lot of damn mold in the car. Seats are moldy. Everything's moldy. It needs like a really good deep clean. I'm gonna show you the interior right now. Warning, it's disgusting. Just letting you know that. So as you can see, it's super filthy in there. Like, it's gross, disgusting. The back seats aren't as bad, that's why I didn't show it. But I wanted you to see the really grimy shit. I believe there's a little bit of surface rust in the trunk because water gets in the trunk and sits there, and that starts to rust. Oh no, yeah, that's bad. Yeah, that's really soft. Hopefully I could sand that shit down. We have a big problem, and it's one of every car guy's worst fear. It's an issue that's been happening while I've been gone. I'm just gonna show you guys. What you're looking at is rust, and yes, that is the floor you see. So what I've been doing, I've been trying to knock out all the rust spots much as possible. Probably just gonna cut this entire thing out. I don't want to mess up the rigidity of the car or anything. And possibly welding probably some sheet metal or something like that, and then getting it painted. That's the money shot right there. You know what I'm saying? D16 Y8 AEM intake AutoZone filter shit, whatever that shit's called. Yeah, you know, as you can see, the car is stock as fuck. This is what we're working with. Filthy carpet. It is disgusting. I don't even know what would cause something like that, bro. That shit look like the state of Florida too. But yeah, man, I threw everything in the back. I'm gonna start gutting this shit out. The gray interior, I flipping hate it. I don't like gray interior. That shit looks depressing. So I'm gonna be changing this out with a black interior. Hopefully I can find me a donor car and get all full black interior and throw into this shit. But I'm gonna take the headliner out, gutting probably the back. I don't know, might just have half of it an interior, but I'm still thinking about it because this is going for a race car, baby. So to show you the update with everything, I took out all the rear interior pieces also because I'm not gonna be needing it. So the entire rear is gutted. You like the Teggy? Huh? Yeah. Oh, careful. You almost busted your ass there. Get off the damn car, nigga. Shit. What you think he gonna do? Man, slippery cat. So I'll put these wheels on for now. Some temporary shits until I can finish painting these. You know, they're pretty ugly too, you know what I'm saying? But it's for now, you feel me? It's for now, everything is for now. You feel me? I don't know. I don't care how bad this car gets. I'm not gonna let it go. This is my baby. Yeah, I installed this little K-tune shifter right here. And a little Skunk 2 shift knob. Yep, pretty wobbly. Need to change them bushings, boy. But I don't care how bad this car gets, I'm not giving up on it. That's something I told myself. This is my first ever vehicle, so I want to see it actually prosper and turn into something crazy. You feel me? There might be a swap coming soon. I'm not telling you what I'm swapping into it, but just know it's not your regular swap. You feel me? It's not very common like what you see on YouTube. Everyone with their B swap, their blah 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 swap. You feel me? I'm not gonna be telling you what's going into the car because it's a surprise. You feel me? Right now it looks very, very bad. This thing is disgusting. But with the help of myself, we're gonna be transforming this car into something magnificent. That's what I'm gonna be telling you. Magnificent. Stay tuned. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Turn on your post notification. Midnight Success. We're going crazy. Littest car channel on YouTube. Remember that. We're going hard as hell this year. And we're not giving up, boys. You know what I'm saying? Homeboys back in Jersey, they doing their thing, you feel me? And we getting all the content out fast as possible so you guys can enjoy it. You feel me? We coming down from the dirt. And hopefully success is close by, you feel me? And everything happening overnight. So let's get it, boys.
Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! Mighty Morphin Power Rangers!